Hey, welcome back. In this video lecture we will start work on the customer account interface. So in the Notepad++ I have very simply removed all the files because we have worked a lot on them. Now very simply I will create a new page. This is a new file and we will save it by using Ctrl S. Inside the customer folder we have, or here in the main folder e-commerce, inside the customer folder we will save it with the name my_account.php. so this will be a simple file. Now after we will open the index file, index.php file, and we'll just copy we'll select using Ctrl A, we'll copy all the code from here and we'll paste it inside the my_account.php, and we will remove some some things from this. For example, this whole thing, going to cart etc, and this kind of things, and this also UR etc also. Only will say welcome guest, sorry, not welcome guest, welcome that email address, and we will also remove the else because there is no need for the else statement here. And furthermore we'll remove this thing as well, the functions, because we just copied the index.php source code, and we'll remove these brands as well. The whole division from here. Only we will keep this thing, the cats. Told us to save. Now come here, refresh, and when the person will logged in, his email address and password, so it will take them to the new page. Click OK, and click my account, or they have no order, no items here, so they will directly go to their account. So here you can see this is the page my_account.php, but there is no CSS file, so therefore it is not showing up the exact design. We'll go to the customer folder and we'll create folder called styles, and we'll copy this from the styles folder, this style file, and we'll copy and paste it inside this customer folder. So now when you will refresh this page, so you can see some design over here, but actually we need to also copy the images folder, the whole folder, and put it inside the customers folder. So after that we can once again refresh the page. You can see the images as well, and the next thing is that we can create one more folder over here inside the customer folder called includes, where we need to actually put the database file as well. So the database is here. Now once again refresh. Functions. Okay, we need to actually put the function as well. Just copy the function folder from here using Ctrl C and put it in the customer folder. So refresh now and you see this thing, but there are no products because we have removed those products, and this is actually this, but we can change the CSS file. Yes, we will open that CSS file inside the customer account, this one, and we'll simply go here and we'll say that the sidebar should be float right this time, because this is the customer account we are creating, and the content area will be left aligned. That will be left, float left, the content area. Control S to save. Now come back and refresh the page and you will see this thing. So we can simply show the customer account details over here, but this is not coming, this thing on the right place. This should be displayed over here. We need to go to the my account page and see what is the problem. Content area, sorry, we need to put this thing somewhere else. We'll just copy this whole, I mean not copy, actually cut. We'll paste it inside the products box. Now Control S to save and refresh. Don't know what is the problem with it, but oh, I'm sorry, we have actually problem over here. We did not actually close this div tag, so we first need to undo the previous action and after that just close the div tag. We actually mistakenly removed this div tag from here. This is for the sidebar. So now refresh and you can see welcome AW Pareshan and log out. They can log out, the person can log out. So while here I can just remove this black color from here, so I will go to the style for this customer account and we'll just remove this color from here, from main wrapper. Control S to save. I have removed the color. Refresh. Now you can see this thing, but we can add pink color to that instead of pink color. Control S to save. Now come here, refresh the page and you can see this is the pink area. Now this is basically the customer account. We can change this title to something like relevant to the customer. Just go to my account.php and change this text to something like my account. Control S to save, come back, refresh, and my account. Now after that you can change the links to something like basically we will add the links. We will remove this thing, these categories, and we'll add some links over here. Basically side li tag, li href is equal to my underscore account dot php, and this first one will be my orders, my underscore account dot php. This is the same page we have given as a link, and we have created a get variable or URL variable called my underscore orders, which we can later on catch, and the text will be my orders. Link close and li tag close, and we will copy it, paste it 4 times. Now the next thing will be edit account, and this will be change password, this will be delete account. Edit underscore account, and this variable URL variable will be change underscore pass, and this one will be delete underscore account. That's it. Tool is to save. Come here, refresh the page, and you will see my orders, edit account, change password, delete accounts, and things like that. But we can change the style as well to some extent. We'll go to the styles. We'll change the style for the categories basically we created. List style none, and that is okay. Color will be orange this time, and text align will be left. We need to check and see. Yes, will be left, and font size will be this time 16, 17, and text decoration none, font family is okay. And hovering, while hovering the color, we will just change the color to white. I mean, on hover the link color will be white. Other things are okay. So refresh the page and you can see the difference. But okay, here is the center. Instead of center, we will align it left, and Control S to save. Come here and you can see. But before the orders, we can show the picture of the person here. That is also important, but we will do that. I mean, showing the picture here and adding some data here, so that we can do in next video lecture, because in this video we simply created the my account page, which we just copied this whole, I mean the index page to here, and just made some changes to all the page and also to CSS style, because if we would create it from start, that would take too much time. Therefore we did something over here, and in next lecture we will work on the user account little more. Stay tuned.